Join me as I dive into a crazy challenge where I pit AI against some of the most brutal war strategies ever. Can technology outsmart military tactics? As we speak, the world's militaries are rapidly integrating artificial intelligence into their arsenals, changing the face of modern warfare. From autonomous drones to advanced surveillance systems, AI is revolutionizing how conflicts are fought and won. But what does this mean for the future of warfare, and how will it impact humanity? One of the most pressing concerns regarding AI in warfare is the lack of human oversight. When machines make life or death decisions without human intervention, it raises many ethical dilemmas. Who is accountable when an autonomous system makes a mistake, resulting in civilian casualties? How do we program morality into a machine, and can we genuinely trust its judgment? The more we rely on AI, the more we risk creating an inherently flawed system that prioritizes efficiency over humanity. The absence of human emotions and empathy in AI decision-making processes is also a significant concern. Machines lack the nuance and emotional intelligence to comprehend human conflicts' intricacies fully. They cannot understand the subtleties of language, cultural differences, or the complexities of human nature. This lack of emotional intelligence can lead to misguided decisions, which can have devastating consequences. Furthermore, when AI systems are designed to optimize specific outcomes, they may prioritize those outcomes over human life, leading to a system that is, by design, morally bankrupt. As we progress with this technology, we must consider the long-term implications of creating autonomous systems capable of making life or death decisions. We must ask ourselves if we are comfortable with machines making choices that could have far-reaching consequences without human input or oversight. The ethical implications of this are staggering, and we must address these concerns before it's too late. From advanced surveillance systems to autonomous combat drones, AI is used in various ways to gain a strategic advantage on the battlefield. AI-powered drones, for instance, have already changed the face of modern warfare, allowing for real-time intelligence gathering and precision strikes. However, this increase in precision also raises the stakes, making it easier for rogue states or non-state actors to acquire and use these technologies, destabilizing the global balance of power. One of the most significant benefits of AI in warfare is its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently, allowing for rapid decision-making and response times. This can be a game changer in high-pressure situations where every second counts. However, this speed and efficiency come at a cost, as we sacrifice human oversight and accountability for expediency. In 2017, the Russian military unleashed a swarm of AI-powered drones on the Syrian battlefield, marking a significant turning point in the use of autonomous systems in warfare. The drones, known as hunter-killer drones, were programmed to identify and engage enemy targets without human intervention. While the exact impact of this technology is still unclear, it's undeniable that AI has fundamentally altered the way wars are fought and won. Imagine a scenario where a rogue AI system designed to optimize specific outcomes decides that the most efficient way to win a war is to sacrifice a small group of civilians. The AI, lacking human empathy and moral guidance, would willingly make that sacrifice without hesitation. This is the kind of scenario that keeps military strategists and ethicists up at night as they grapple with the implications of creating autonomous systems that are capable of making life or death decisions. Let's take the example of the autonomous submarine, the Voyager, which was recently developed by the US Navy. This submarine can operate for months without human intervention, making it an ideal platform for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. However, as we move forward with this technology, we must ask ourselves if we're comfortable with autonomous systems operating in the ocean's darkest depths without human oversight or accountability. In conclusion, AI is undoubtedly changing the face of modern warfare, bringing many benefits and risks. As we move forward with this technology, we must balance innovation with ethical considerations, ensuring that we don't create autonomous systems that are fundamentally flawed. The future of warfare hangs in the balance, and it's up to us to decide how we want to shape it. Thanks for watching, and I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on AI in warfare? Should we embrace this technology, or is it a recipe for disaster? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video on military technology, where we'll explore the latest advancements in stealth technology.